Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Priest just landed a new Rolls Royce for this Christmas celebration.
Look, my wrist time expensive. Why you come to waste my time?
So all I can say is that money na water, money na water.
Odogwu ati, hey, baggy, mawana
Look, my wrist time expensive. Why you come to waste my time?
Classic burger. See that menstrual shit. Odogwu ati. Madame Chechi Okonkwo Dumbo na Bereba. Mmemme ma afro vintage ntolo.
Mmemme ma afro chief priest nwa. Mana mmemme mpura no this when I'm no. Oh, the Jackson fa. Na give money fa. Not talking to you, talking to me right. But you also passing me right. Anyway, separating boys from
everything is possible. I know, on fire. I know. But you're coming. Classic burger.
From what I call it to follow, the guy who are positioned to do for car. Mercedes. All about with Mercedes. They want to to Mercedes.
Just peace. Let it be on record. The first man in Oboleti Enugu State ever made Rolls. I'm gonna get a life. I actually be life. I gonna go today. Next 10 years, I gonna go.
Why you come to waste my time?
Those things come. Evidence they come. You have evidence. Here we go. Evidence. I
Yes, so you see the
first tobacco media that an email. I can't forget mama. Evidence. Evidence. Akariala. Alele. Yeah, Lord Lugard. Not Lugard. Evidence. No be there. Evidence. Alele. A minute silent to poverty. Alele.
Odogwu ati, hey, baggy, classic burger. See that menstrual shit. Odogwu ati.